resume building means documents or biodata which you prepare while applying for jobs or applying for any kind of public sector or government sector, whatever jobs may be. That is called resume building. In that resume buildings part, what you have to do is, there are different types of resume. Resume is not only one. Suppose if you want to go for one specific types of jobs, then there will be another different types of resume for that, and another different types of resume for different types of posts and purpose. So say for example, in that resume you will have to include your personal details like contact information, your date of birth, this and that, your educational qualification, your experience, your skills, and many other things are there. So depending on who will be looking your resume, to whom you are submitting your resume, it can vary the contents of that resume. This is what you have to know. Say for example, if you are applying for say railway or another technical types of jobs, then or bankings, you have to include your computer skill in details, like for example Microsoft Words, Excels, and all these things, Microsoft Publisher. These are very much used in bankings and other technical related jobs. So you have to include all these things in details. But for another types of jobs, you may not need those things in details. You may need different things in details. So, interview skill. Interview skill is also very important for jobs while pursuing for jobs. The last steps you will have to face is interview. So, while appearing, facing or interview, you have to be confident in yourself, and then one thing very important is that you don't have to look over smart. Don't over smart. Have humor. And me kat macam na, ibang na Thailand. I mean, now kasi lo de, ini ya na. Kasi sa ating dengar ya, over smart dia sia. Kai pa macam. There is one person, because of his over smartness, he was dropped from ACS. Kamu kat jumte na, ya cumin. IPH atau jangan reply. I also wanted to ask you something. That things can happen because of ignorance. So interview skill is very important. While preparing for interview, one most important thing is that which organization you are appearing for interview. That things is important, because suppose if you go for banking jobs interview, then you have to know at least some details about the backgrounds of the banks and what is their earnings, annual profits, and then if you are applying for like electricity board, then you have to know what is transformer, what is electricity, and there's some technical related issues or some parts you have to prepare yourself if you are going for interview for specific jobs or any kinds of say whatever you choose. And the second point is how to prepare how to prepare for UPSC, state PSC and other government exams. So UPSC is central jobs. For these jobs, there are 3 steps. There are 3 steps. One is preliminary, The first is preliminary, the second is
Mains.
exam, and the third is interview. So you have to go through all these steps. First, while preparing for preliminary exams, you will have to choose one subject that you are good at. Suppose you are taking political science or economics or biology or zoology, whatever subjects you are taking, you have to be very good at it, at that subject, so that you can, after passing the preliminary exams, then you can enter main exams and then third step is interview. Is that dunia topic ini career guidance hi na chung chu na academic hi na academic career guidance hi ji le khasim hi ga se te mun nang ho kon ta ka i la sim nga ya ti ga lo hin na dinga ni khana एक दिन में कितना बंदा पढ़ाई कर नहीं लगता बोलो तो सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए मिनिमम कैसे थे
बोलो सरो मत करो
4.5
half से इधर 5 दिया सेतों के फलम से सेतों मैं हम तो सेतों
अच्छा से पढ़ने से 1 घंटा भी काफी है बोला ना jadi isa awal ya
biasa
itu na 1 घंटा से तो नहीं होगा लेकिन
1 घंटा 2 घंटा जितना हो सकता है
itu depends on person to person ना some are more intelligent ना कोई थोड़ा डाउन हो जाएगा और एवरेज मैक्सिमम होता है ना एवरेज का नहीं बोला और एवरेज मैक्सिमम तो हम बोल नहीं सकते कैसे लेकिन बिजान ही होगा ना कि बोलो ना अही वाला चु ले सिम आवर्स ही अटाइम पीड़ा भी के कपड़ों साचो ठीक है ना सही दिना a time at least you need to extend your study hours. You need to increase to become successful person. Ya kasim na wali. Iho po ani kan fat environment wang hielo na kasi. So entertainment langsung kumpul kan terkat ha on budget bangun nah dia cun mereka sim hall student hall so sim mereka dia tu tak sah lo hin hi nadinga hi hilhat nada sana nah kus होने के लिए you'll have to leave something. Your desires, your hobbies, whatever it is, ना? Because पढ़ाई करने का समय बहुत कम होता है. जैसे कि हम नौकरी करने का टाइम जो अभी 13 years हो गया. हम जब नौकरी मिला तब क्लास 1 होने से अभी HS पास हो जाता है ना. लेकिन क्या होता है नौकरी का ड्यूरेशन तो बहुत लंबा है से लाइक यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर 30, 33, 35 years depending on the time of your appointment. So if you compare that duration of your working period to your studies, it is very much negligible. Like after passing HS or class 10, you have to study another 5 or 6 years, 7 years at most. So In that period is very crucial for you. In that particular period, you'll have to give up everything, even your hobbies, if it is necessary, na, to achieve something. Itu kasi nung pen. Yung kanila ya, kahobby pen tu langai. Nahon ni kalau kisah, yo kenal kisah ala langai tu. Na, jika tu exam hari tinggal apa tu dismantle kapola, sound system apa tu tak apa koi yo. Na, tinggal jika tu HS kapola, engineering kapola, exam meeting jelas, tapang apa? Jika tu kat semua tipe apa koi pa, jelas. Ibu le agak mahi. Tua namun ibu dia boleh, anak dia boleh, lam ding, sports boleh, yang tu cheating, yang tu boleh, yang tu fighting, le kamu sinding. Dia bola, luar sangat. Abol tewa dengan kau, kau ina. Si bola luar sangat tu, hiltam tak apa tu. Data luar hidup tu, ibu dengan apa tadi hidup tu, jangan tak agak sih, tapi kau dan tu nak tang salah ujim balik waktu tu, apa sih dia ngom kan ni,
Pame.